Have you ever stayed up hours in gaming? Even when you knew you should be sleeping or doing something else. That's what we call compulsive gaming. When playing video games start to interfere with your daily life. Compulsive video gaming is a pattern of excessive and uncomfortable video game playing that can be lead to neglect of important life areas like work, studies, relationship and health as well. Games are designed to be engaging, releasing dopamine, the feel good chemical in the brain. When gaming becomes compulsive, it's often a way to escape stress, loneliness, or boredom. Over time, this pattern can become a good mechanism, but it often leads to negative consequences. Chronic compulsive gaming can lead to physical issues like tiredness and eye problems, emotional problems like anxiety and depression, and social isolation. It can also impact your academic or work performance.